Mosque Street got its name because of Jame or Chulia Mosque, built between 1830 and 1835. It is situated near the junction of the road. Indian Muslims, also known as the Chulias, settled down in the northern part of Chinatown, working mostly as traders. So the mosque was built to serve their religious needs during the time. Just so you know, the mosque was gazetted as a national monument in 1974. The first thing that came into my mind when I saw this road name was the famous boxer Muhammad Ali. But no, it is not named after him. Muhammad Ali Lane was named after Mirza Muhammad Ali Namazi, the municipal councillor who traded in textiles and was in milling and shipping as well. Well, he was also the same person who commissioned the Capitol Theatre, located at City Hall, to be built in Singapore in 1929. These murals were painted by Singaporean artist Mr. Ip Yew Chung, depicting his personal memories of Singapore's past when he grew up in Sago Lane.